Cold out here this morning. You know, people say, oh, it's always colder where I'm at. Well, you know, I don't give a shit. I say it every year. But we're in Florida, and it's 19 degrees out here. That's cold, okay? 19 degrees to our northern friends might be Canadian barbecue weather, as I like to call it. But here in Florida, like I said, that's cold. We're hitting 19 degrees, so it's cold as shit. I mean, like, really cold as shit. And we're going to see if we can start up the 1968 Fastback, which, by the way, has no chokes on the carburetors because somebody put aftermarket carbs on there. And the charging system went out about 2 days ago, so I drove it home with the idiot light on the dashboard. I did make it home, but the battery is probably a little bit weak, so this is going to be a great test to see what the thing's going to do and if it's going to start. So let's give it a shot. Jack Frost nosing at your nips. Tiny twats with their thighs all aglow will find it hard on me tonight. Well, there it is. With no chokes, this thing is a son of a bitch to start up. Turned out what I was doing wrong is I didn't pump that throttle enough times. I had to pump it about 12 times to get enough fuel into it to get the thing to start up. But there she is. She's running pretty good now. And if you wondered why I was revving it the way I was, it was because I was trying to see how much air would come out of the heaters inside. I just got those hooked up the other day. And they get quite toasty in there pretty quickly. Here's the motor. There's the Dell'orto carburetors that somebody abused with fuel injection fuel pump. Oh, we got us a little fuel leak over here. I'm glad I see that. I gotta fix that. That's a little bit dangerous. It wasn't doing that before. That's brand new. So, I'm gonna fix that right away because this car could burst into flames unless it gets fixed properly. But there's the 68 Fastback. Warming up after a cold start in 19-degree weather in Florida. Yeah. Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nosing at your nips. Tiny twats with their eyes all aglow will find 'em hard on me tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's blowing every other reindeer on his sleigh.